If you're seeing this video right now, chances are your PC just hit you with that dreaded reboot and select proper boot device error, and you're low-key freaking out. I feel you, fam. That black screen can be straight up terrifying. But here's the thing. Don't sweat it. 9 times out of 10, this error ain't as bad as it looks. Today, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to fix this issue, no cap. So smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're new here, and let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, what does this error even mean? Basically, your computer is telling you, yo, I can't find the drive I need to boot up from. It's like when you're trying to start your car but can't find the keys. The car works, you just gotta locate what you need. There are 3 main reasons this error pops up. Your BIOS is tripping and looking at the wrong hard drive. Your Windows bootloader is acting sus and not working right. Your hard drive might actually have some hardware problems. Don't worry though, we're gonna troubleshoot the first 2 issues today, step by step. Let's dive in. Okay, fix number 1 is usually the easiest and fixes the problem like 70% of the time. We're gonna mess with your BIOS settings. Now, if you've never touched your BIOS before, don't stress. I got you. Here's what you gotta do. First up, restart your computer. When it's booting up, you'll see a screen telling you to press a key to enter BIOS setup. For most PCs, it's gonna be either the delete key or F2. Just keep smashing that key when you see the startup screen. Once you're in the BIOS, and yeah, it looks old school and kinda scary, here's what we're gonna check. Step 1. Look for an option that says Load Default Settings or Reset to Default. This is clutch because sometimes your BIOS just gets messed up, and hitting Reset can fix everything real quick. Step 2. If that doesn't work, find the section where it shows your hard drives. This is usually under Boot Options or Boot Priority. What you're looking for is whether your computer is trying to boot from the right drive. If you see your main hard drive listed, make sure it's set as the number 1 boot device. Step 3. Sometimes the BIOS can't detect your hard drive properly. If the size looks totally wrong, like it says 2 GB when you know you got a 500 GB drive, that's a red flag. Some BIOS versions let you manually enter the specs, but honestly, if it's showing up wrong, we might have a hardware issue. Step 4. Once you've made your changes, hit F10 to save and exit. Your PC will restart and hopefully, you're good to go. Pro tip: if you got a weak BIOS battery, yeah, that's a thing, it can cause these issues too. The battery keeps your BIOS settings saved, so if it's dying, your settings might be getting wiped. Alright, so if messing with the BIOS didn't work, we're moving on to fix number 2, repairing the Windows bootloader. This one's a bit more involved, but I promise it's not that complicated. For this fix, you're gonna need a Windows installation USB drive or DVD. If you don't have one already, pause this video real quick and go download the Windows Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website. It's free and legit. Here's the game plan. Step 1. Plug in your Windows installation USB or pop in that DVD, then restart your computer. Make sure your PC boots from the USB or DVD. You might need to hit a key like F12 or ESC during startup to pick your boot device. Step 2. When the Windows installer loads up, pick your language, then click Repair your computer, not Install. We're not nuking your whole system, we're just fixing it. Step 3. You'll see a menu that says Choose an option. Click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Step 4. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Click on Startup Repair and let it do its thing. This tool is pretty solid at fixing boot issues automatically. It might take a few minutes, so just chill and let it work. Step 5. Once it's done, remove your USB or DVD and restart. Cross your fingers. Alright y'all, that's it for today's guide. To recap real quick, check your BIOS settings. Make sure it's looking at the right hard drive. Repair the Windows bootloader using Startup Repair. In most cases, one of these 2 fixes is going to get you back up and running. The key is to not panic. and just work through each solution methodically. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Alright, that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.
Junaid hacks in the zone. Helping you fix on your own. Debug the code, watch it home. Step by step, we break it down from the script all the way to the crown. Like, share, subscribe, don't slack. More tips coming back to back.